Well, the Synod in Rome has completed its third week, which has focused on governance and delegation of authority in the church. Many Synod participants have stressed that while each particular church brings a uniqueness and richness to the universal church, unity is more crucial than ever. EWTN Vatican journalist Benedicte Cedergren has more.
La procedura di adeguamento delle presenze è aperta.
The third week of the Synod closed this morning with the submitting of the smaller working group summary reports. Participation, governance and authority are the themes the International Assembly has been working on in these past days.
We're now on the
Archbishop Anthony Fisher, one of the Synod delegates from Australia, spoke about the possibility of delegating doctrinal authority to local bishops' conferences and churches. Emphasizing the richness of the different cultures, ritual traditions, and various ways of evangelizing across the world, he stressed that our faith must remain the same and that it cannot be reinvented.
Could we, for instance, envisage a church where you have ordination of women in some countries but not in other countries, or you have same-sex marriages in some countries but not in other countries, or you have an Arian Christology in some countries and a Nicene Christology in other? You might guess, I think no. I think that we need to have the same faith, the same morals, the same church order, and essentially the same liturgy.
The universality of the Catholic Church is well reflected in the International Synodal Assembly. In an exclusive interview with EWTN's Colin Flynn, Cardinal-elect Archbishop Tarcisius Isao Kikuchi of Tokyo explained that the very small Japanese church is also very international. While recognizing the importance of diversity, the Archbishop, whose motto is Unity in Diversity, expressed his desire to unite all national communities.
My policy actually is not to establish the separate community for different cultures and different languages, but I want to have the integrated community, which is very difficult. But then there are some priests and some people trying to engage other nationalities or other people to make a community together.
During one of the daily briefings, Australian theologian Father Ormond Rush focused on the importance of theology and tradition, stressing that living revelation is not just static truths, but a continuous dialogue between God and humanity. In his address, he explained that in the second session of the Synod, they are entering the process of the living tradition of the Church to actualize the message of the Gospel.
In other words, theology's role is to help the Church better achieve its primary mission of proclaiming and bringing about God's vision for our world. That vision, we believe, of course, is revealed in Jesus Christ in his whole ministry and death and resurrection and the sending of the Holy Spirit, the one who is to guide the Church into the future. And so this is what this Synod is doing, listening to that Holy Spirit.
The work of the Assembly will resume next Monday, when the participants will gather for the presentation of the outline of the key points for the final document. Work on the draft will continue throughout the week, before participants vote to approve the final document on Saturday. Synod participants will have a day off tomorrow, before gathering again on Sunday morning in St. Peter's Square for the canonization Mass for 14 new saints, presided over by Pope Francis. In Rome, Benedicte Cedergren, EWTN News Nightly.